cute is this little place we found? Just gonna come and chill here. We're walking in Lagos Old Town. A lot of tourists, but not the annoying ones, and so that's what's really cool, you know? I like this little street. Thank you.
City lights, the way you'd play with me like a child.
So basically we took a 30-minute drive to Lagoa. We're in Lagos and we came to Lagoa just so we can come to Banagil Caves. Hello, we could have taken a speedboat, but we decided, you know, it's early in the morning, let's go for a drive. And oh my god, it's such a beautiful, like, sleepy little beach town. I love it. So we're back to Praia de Ana. Do you know what? We gave it a shot. We tried to go to other beaches, but this is the one we loved most. And it's so cool. We're gonna get us a few chairs here, you know. And life is good. Just got to the marina, to the, like, literally the last point of the marina, because we were told that there is a place here that we must try. So here we are. No idea what the food is, what the cuisine is, what's happening, but here we are. On the map, we saw this town called Fatima, and so we're here. Yeah. Walking up all the way to the University of Coimbra, and it is the longest or one of the longest standing universities in the world. It's pretty spectacular, you know. Check it out. There's the beauty. Wow.
I remember my password.